Look at how cute they are. Baby duck. There's the mommy.
Debbie, what happened to the man?
Oh, they swim away.
They're so cute when they bob. Look at, they're all the way underwater.
There they are. Oh! They're just so cute. Look at them, they're going underwater.
Don't talk too much on the zoo.
They're so cute.
They're playing Marco Polo.
Look at how cute that is. Oh, oh, here comes the other ducks.
Quack, quack.
Bye, baby ducks.